Step into the rustic tranquility of this backyard pond oasis, where nature's beauty takes center stage in all its rugged splendor. A natural stone waterfall cascades gently into a serene pond, its water shimmering in the dappled sunlight filtering through the surrounding foliage. Native grasses, ferns, and wildflowers flourish along the water's edge, creating a lush tapestry of textures and colors that blend seamlessly with the natural landscape. Wooden benches or Adirondack chairs offer inviting spots to sit and soak in the sights and sounds of the water feature, adding a touch of rustic charm to the outdoor space. It's a peaceful sanctuary where the beauty of the wilderness comes to life, inviting you to unwind and reconnect with the rhythms of nature. Step into the serene tranquility of this Japanese-inspired backyard pond oasis, where nature's beauty unfolds in graceful harmony. At its heart lies a tranquil koi pond, its shimmering waters adorned with vibrant koi fish gliding beneath the surface. Surrounding the pond, lush greenery, ornamental grasses, and bamboo create a lush tapestry of textures and hues, evoking the timeless elegance of Japanese gardens. A wooden bridge gracefully arches over the pond, inviting you to cross its threshold and enter a world of serenity and contemplation. Here, amidst the soothing sounds of flowing water and rustling leaves, a small seating area or meditation space awaits, offering a sanctuary for quiet reflection and connection with nature. It's a haven of peace and harmony, where every element is meticulously crafted to evoke a sense of calm and tranquility in the embrace of the natural world. Step into the tranquil beauty of this backyard pond oasis, where nature's symphony plays out in harmonious splendor. Here, a naturalistic pond takes center stage, its gentle curves embraced by rugged rocks, boulders, and lush native vegetation. Water cascades softly over a small waterfall, its melodious song creating a soothing soundtrack for moments of relaxation and contemplation. As sunlight dances on the water's surface, the serene setting invites you to unwind and reconnect with the natural world. It's a sanctuary of serenity and beauty, where the tranquil allure of the outdoors offers solace and rejuvenation to the soul. Step into the refined elegance of this formal backyard pond, where meticulous design and symmetrical features exude timeless charm. At the heart of the landscape lies a stately rectangular pond, its neatly trimmed edges and precisely placed fountains serving as focal points of symmetry and grace. Surrounding the pond, manicured hedges stand tall and proud, framing the scene with precision and poise. Delicate topiaries add a touch of whimsy, while colorful flower beds burst with blooms, injecting vibrant splashes of color into the polished landscape. It's a picture-perfect oasis of sophistication and serenity, where every element is meticulously crafted to create an atmosphere of refined beauty and elegance. Welcome to your formal backyard retreat, where luxury meets tranquility in perfect harmony. Step into the thriving ecosystem of this wildlife-friendly backyard pond, where every element is carefully designed to attract and nurture a diverse array of aquatic life. Shallow areas and submerged plants provide essential habitats for fish, frogs, and other aquatic creatures, while floating islands offer resting spots and nesting sites for waterfowl and turtles. Around the perimeter, native flowering plants burst with color and fragrance, attracting a multitude of birds, butterflies, and pollinators seeking food and shelter. It's a vibrant symphony of life, where the delicate balance of nature flourishes in every corner of the backyard. Welcome to your own little slice of paradise, where the wonders of the natural world come to life right outside your door. Step into the modern elegance of this backyard pond sanctuary, where clean lines and minimalist design reign supreme. At its heart lies a sleek rectangular pond, framed by a border of polished black stone, exuding sophistication and style. Complementing the serene waters are sleek water features such as fountains or bubblers, adding a touch of contemporary flair and creating a mesmerizing focal point for the outdoor space. Against a backdrop of minimalist landscaping, the modern pond stands as a testament to the beauty of simplicity and the power of sleek design. It's a tranquil oasis where modernity meets serenity, inviting you to unwind and escape amidst the peaceful allure of the water. Step into the lush paradise of this tropical backyard pond oasis, where vibrant foliage and exotic blooms transport you to a world of serenity and beauty. Surrounding the pond, palm trees sway gently in the breeze, their towering fronds casting dappled shadows over the tranquil waters. Banana plants and ferns add layers of lush greenery, creating a verdant backdrop that evokes the dense jungles of the tropics. Colorful flowering water lilies dot the surface of the pond, their vibrant blooms adding splashes of color to the scene. A thatched roof cabana or lounge area beckons from the edge of the pond, offering a shaded retreat where you can relax and unwind in the midst of this tropical paradise setting. It's a sensory feast for the eyes and the soul, where the beauty of nature unfolds in all its tropical splendor. Welcome to your own private paradise, where every moment feels like a getaway to paradise. Step into the captivating landscape of this multi-level backyard pond design, where layers of terraced water features and cascading streams create a mesmerizing symphony of sights and sounds. Each level of the pond is adorned with tiered plantings, adding lush greenery and bursts of color that enhance the natural beauty of the space. Meandering pathways and stone steps wind their way through the landscape, inviting exploration and discovery at every turn. It's a dynamic and engaging outdoor space that beckons you to wander, unwind, and reconnect with the wonders of nature. Welcome to your own personal paradise, where the beauty of the natural world unfolds in layers of serenity and splendor. Step into the serene simplicity of this desert-inspired backyard pond oasis, where minimalism meets natural beauty in the arid landscape. At its center lies a small oasis, its tranquil waters providing a refreshing contrast to the surrounding sand and rocks. Drought-tolerant succulents thrive in the desert environment, their vibrant hues adding bursts of color to the scene while conserving water. A bubbling rock or small fountain adds movement and sound, creating a soothing soundtrack that echoes through the arid landscape. It's a tranquil retreat in the midst of the desert, where the beauty of simplicity and the serenity of nature come together to create a haven of peace and relaxation. Welcome to your desert oasis, where every moment is a refreshing escape from the heat and hustle of the outside world. Step into the urban oasis of this backyard pond, where modern design and natural beauty converge in a harmonious blend. A sleek reflecting pool or a series of interconnected ponds serves as the centerpiece, adorned with contemporary sculptures or art installations that add a touch of artistic flair to the urban landscape. Drought-tolerant plants and low-maintenance landscaping surround the water feature, enhancing the urban aesthetic while providing essential habitat for local wildlife. It's a dynamic fusion of art and nature, where the tranquil beauty of water meets the vibrant energy of the cityscape. Welcome to your urban sanctuary, where modern design and natural serenity come together to create a haven of peace and inspiration amidst the bustling urban environment.